Hi you all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make money online and how to secure your bag even when there is a crazy crisis happening globally. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to remind you to like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with someone if you feel like they could use it. Without further ado, let's get right into it, guys. I'm super excited. What I found is COVID-19 has really shaken up the game for everybody. Whether you're a freelancer, you have a 9-to-5, it really doesn't matter. 2020 really changed the game for so many people. And I've seen that a lot of people have had to learn to pivot regardless. And this has been really tough because even if you're a freelancer or do have that 9-to-5, getting creative and figuring out how in the heck can you make extra money outside of what you're used to doing. And in this video, we're going to dive very deep into how you can do this step by step. Now, I don't know if you knew this, but the e-commerce space is massive at this time. There have been predictions that the e-commerce space will overtake the physical retail space. However, 2020 definitely sped up the process. Everything is moving online. I mean, how you communicate with your family, how we're learning, how we're buying stuff, everything's being shipped, how we're ordering food, everything's coming to our doorstep. So the online space is full of opportunity. Even during COVID, especially with the shutdowns, there was an increase in online activity, online purchases. People were still buying. So if you're someone who feels like, I can't really, be in this space because what if no one buys? My friend, people are still buying even when they're shut in. Okay, so one way that you can make money online is with online gig-based work. There are websites designed to help you thrive if you have any kind of skill that can help someone else. So, for example, websites like Upwork and Fiverr are really great ways for you as a creative or someone who has any kind of skill to create a profile and sell yourself. So there are a lot of businesses who are starting up during this time, or newer businesses who are like, we may need a new logo, we may need a new website, maybe they need graphic design, anything like that, video work. They will go to these websites and put in a request, and you as the creator and talent can respond to the request and help these people out. You're the expert and they are looking for you. This is a great opportunity for you to be proactive and show off your services. Now, if you're going to present yourself on websites like this, I highly recommend getting your portfolio in check, being able to show the people what you have created, and just go ahead and create that profile and market yourself. Another way that you can make money online is by creating downloadable products. One downloadable product you could think about creating is an ebook. If there's something that you know your audience needs or they have asked you questions about, you could create an ebook detailing and breaking down the steps that your audience needs to know. And instead of always having to answer the same questions over and over, you can package your expertise into an ebook and post it on your website. And whenever someone has a question or needs help, you can just refer them to a downloadable ebook that you've already created and help them. Also, if you're somebody who knows how to stay organized and has a detailed process on how to stay organized and motivated, create an ebook around it, guys. It is so great. If you're somebody trying to create an ebook and you don't want to maybe hire a designer, you can definitely use a platform called Canva. They have amazing templates where you can just plug it in. It's cute. It will save you time. And it's beautiful. If you're not sure what your ebook could be about, think of how you can provide a helpful resource to something that you see your audience struggling with. See how you can create an ebook surrounding ways that they could maybe save time in their day-to-day. Just brainstorm and even put out a poll to your audience asking them what they struggle with and create something that is downloadable and packaged together, and they can just buy it and you're good to go. Another downloadable product to think about creating is something like a downloadable Excel sheet. If you're someone who thrives in budgeting or the financial space, this is so helpful because Excel, there are so many functions that a lot of us just don't know about. So if you're able to create something that you understand and it can just be packaged, I would buy that. So if you're out there, send me the link. And for my creatives out there, another downloadable product that you could think about is creating a preset, whether the preset is for photography, Lightroom, or Photoshop, or creating a preset for videography. So all my cameramen out there, that is a great way for you to make income easily with knowledge. I mean, you could literally create a preset that you love to use and maybe put together a video to show people how they can implement it into their own work. Boom, you're making cash. You're making cash money. You're welcome. Another great way to make money online, I love this and I'm currently working on my own, is to create an online course. Now, I am a firm believer that we all are experts at something. And I don't mean experts by having a degree or a certification, but we all have gone through experiences and gotten really good at something that maybe our audience or people in our lives are like 10 steps behind us. So it's great to take time and journal out, what do you know? What are things that people ask you about all the time that you could create a course around to help them? Being able to teach a specific skill or passion that you have is huge. This year we saw a lot of education go online with the school system. So if you have a specific industry that you're in, whether it's fitness, lifestyle, photography, videography, foreign language, whatever that looks like, mental health, this is an amazing opportunity for you to take your life experience, your skills, put them together and create a bomb course that someone can purchase and really motivate them and educate them. There are websites like Thinkific, Teachable, and Kajabi. These websites are designed to help your online course thrive. Some of them even have built-in emailing and literally systems designed so that you can maybe drop different courses to your audience. So if you are somebody who has a skill, knowledge about something that people are always asking you questions about, I don't even care if it's gardening or cooking, now is the time to take what you have learned, your experience, package it together and create a digital course that people can download, purchase, and it is constantly moving cash into your bank account. Those are just a few ways that you can make money online. Now, I will say, no matter what industry you're in, no matter what avenue you choose to make money online during this time, you must consider this important fact. Having a strong online presence and brand is key. A lot of people want to skip this step, but it's so important. You can't have an online business or an online product or service or want to make money online if your presence online is not consistent, strong with your messaging and with your audience. If you need help in this area, I would love to help. I've actually created a Facebook group. You can go ahead and join. I will link the link down below. We all have so much expertise and experience inside of us. If we can take it and all the good and the bad, package it together and help teach other people and help them overcome some of the hurdles that we had to face, I think it's a win-win. So these are just some ways that you can make money online. If you have any additional ways that you think that I may have missed or didn't mention in this video, please leave a comment below. I would love, love, love to see what you have to say. Well, guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much for letting me share all that with you. Overall, I just want you to know it's so important to have a backup resource to help you make money no matter what. We don't know what the future holds as far as the marketplace, and I just think it's so important to be able to pivot and have that security for the most part. All right, guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.